What's going on, everyone? Coming back at you with another video. Today in the garage, we are tackling what I talked about at the end of last video. We just wrapped up the front end looking a lot better, but I think I want to go to the black housing headlight surrounds. I have that other pair on the backup grill that I think I'm going to steal, get a fresh coat of black paint on there and swap those out, see how that looks. Also, I polished a little bit of this grill yesterday with a little bit of tinfoil sanding. It was actually the part that was covered by the grill. That was a good place to test it, and it looked pretty good, but I'm actually going to go ahead and use a metal polish on the grill today, see if we can get a little bit of the hazing off of the aluminum, get it looking nice and fresh. That's what you can look forward to in today's video. Let's get it. Okay, so here's that spare grill sitting in the bed. Just had to dig this thing out, but as you can see, it's already got the black housing headlight trim covers, whatever you want to call them. They're in great shape, no bends, dents, or anything like that, and they are already black. So I'm gonna go ahead and steal these off of here, probably give them a quick little sand, and then we're gonna spray them black. So let's get these things out of here and get going. Just got 400 grit sandpaper. That should be fine for this. Nothing too crazy needed to be done here. Alright guys, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be utilizing the Mother's Mag and aluminum polish. I've used this stuff before and it works pretty well. We're going to be using this on the aluminum on the grill, front end of the C10. So we're just going to get started. I'm going to be using just my Milwaukee drill with this attachment comes with it. This was pretty inexpensive back in the day, although I've had it a while, so it's probably a bit more pricey. But that's what we're going to be using on this front end. See if we can get it polished up nicely, because there's a little bit of a haze, like some hard water or something on it. And I'm sure this has just not even really been cleaned a whole lot in the last 54 years. So get this polished up, get this front end buttoned up nice. guys, once again, we have another front end reveal, and this is the best yet. We have got black headlight housings. Those are looking absolutely sick. It ties the front end in very nicely. Honestly, is making me lean more towards wanting to keep the black bumper with the black housing headlights. It looks really cool. Actually, I'm really digging the old Utah license plate. This front end has really come along. It is looking very minty. This is a classic C10 front end, looking very nice, very clean. The grille polished up really nicely. It is looking actually shiny for once. Definitely had some hard water and just a lot of gunk from over the years stuck on that grill. With the black housing headlights, the black grill insert, and the black front bumper, it is looking very nice. So once again, closing out the video here, guys. Hope you guys have liked this C10 content so far. Besides the short bed conversion and slamming the truck down, this is actually going to close out the exterior series on the C10. This is wrapping up pretty much everything I wanted to do to the exterior aside from the mirrors. Still looking for mirrors there. But that is going to wrap it up for the exterior. It is finally time for my favorite part of a build, which is diving deep into this interior on the truck. You can look forward to that coming up soon. Peace out. Holy crap. I think there's 2 bolts in the front bracket, same on the other side. And then I can see a bolt right here.